All right. So, what is your name and what do you do?
My name is Ryan, and I'm studying at Purdue University industrial design.
Cool. What do you want to do with industrial design?
I'm trying to get into automotive design. I've always dreamed of designing of stuff of my own. So,
Excellent, excellent. And so, if you're going to design something for a car, what would you design?
I like to design the car itself. Although if that, doesn't plan out, I'd love to own my own design shop, designing either like maybe body kits or parts for cars and stuff like that.
Awesome. Do you have a favorite industrial designer?
Oh God, Pininfarina. So much famous and great work. So probably a simple answer, but great one. So
Awesome. What's the most inspiring part of their work?
I think just the legacy that they've had from I think the 60s, 70s, working on designs and all that stuff. And they still have a design company to this day, and they're even making their own cars now. So I think it's a super cool legacy that they've created.
Incredible, incredible. Do you have an Instagram that people can follow you if they want to learn more about your industrial design?
Yeah, sure. rwats01, RWATS01.
Cool sweater too. So what is that? That's a Transformer?
This is the Transformer and Porsche collab from the new movie.
Into a Transformer?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And that's like a Transformer movie, I'm guessing?
Yeah, it's from the new one. I forgot what it's called. I actually haven't watched it, but
It's a cool sweater though.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, buddy.
Yeah. Thank you.